Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to the show. You know, I always say knowledge is power, and today we're diving deep into the world of wellness with a tiny but mighty seed that can revolutionize your health. Did you know that something as simple as soaked pumpkin seeds could be a total game changer for your well-being? Get ready to be amazed by the incredible benefits they offer. You know, for years I've been talking about the power of seeds. Chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, they're nutritional powerhouses. But today, we're putting the spotlight on pumpkin seeds, those little gems we often find ourselves mindlessly snacking on. Pumpkin seeds are already renowned for their health properties, but soaking them, oh honey, that's where the magic really happens. It takes their benefits to a whole new level. It's like taking those seeds from the student section to the VIP lounge. Think of it this way. Soaking pumpkin seeds is like unlocking their full potential. It's like giving them a spa day, allowing them to relax, release all the goodness they've got hidden inside, and get ready to supercharge your health. And trust me, you want to be on the receiving end of that supercharge. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but why soak them? Why go through the extra effort when you can just roast them and enjoy? Well, let me tell you, there's a world of difference between the two methods. I love munching on roasted pumpkin seeds. They're crunchy, flavorful, and make for a great snack. But have you ever wondered if there's more to these little seeds than just their taste? And you know what? I get it. Roasted pumpkin seeds are delicious. I won't deny that. They have that perfect crunch and a rich, nutty flavor that's hard to resist. But here's the thing, my friends, that roasting process, while it might enhance the flavor, it also robs those precious seeds of some of their nutritional power. When you roast them, you're essentially cooking away some of the vital nutrients that make pumpkin seeds so beneficial. It's like dimming their light, and we want those seeds shining bright, don't we? We want to harness all the goodness they have to offer, from their rich supply of magnesium to their high levels of antioxidants. Many people believe that the best way to enjoy pumpkin seeds is by roasting them. It's a common practice passed down through generations, and it's easy to see why. Roasting brings out a depth of flavor that's truly satisfying. But let me tell you, that's a misconception, a myth that's been holding us back from experiencing the full potential of these incredible seeds. Soaking them, on the other hand, unlocks a whole new level of benefits. It's like going to a concert and only listening from the parking lot. You're there, but you're not really experiencing the full magic of the event. You're missing out on the full experience, the deep bass, the soaring vocals, the energy. Soaking pumpkin seeds is like getting a front row ticket to that concert. You get to enjoy all the nuances, all the health benefits that these seeds have to offer. When you soak pumpkin seeds, you're essentially waking them up. The soaking process helps to break down the phytic acid and enzyme inhibitors that can interfere with nutrient absorption. This means your body can more easily access and utilize the vitamins and minerals in the seeds. Think of it as unlocking a treasure chest. Inside those seeds are valuable nutrients like zinc, iron, and protein, just waiting to be absorbed by your body. Soaking makes these nutrients more bioavailable, meaning your body can actually use them more effectively. The benefits don't stop there. Soaking also makes the seeds easier to digest. If you've ever had trouble with bloating or indigestion after eating seeds, soaking them can help alleviate those issues. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in how you feel. And don't worry, soaking doesn't mean you have to give up on flavor. You can still season and roast the seeds after soaking them if you prefer that crunch. The key is to soak them first to unlock their full potential. So next time you reach for a handful of pumpkin seeds, consider giving them a soak. It's a small change that can lead to big health benefits. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to just roasting. Embrace the soaking secret and let those pumpkin seeds shine bright in your diet. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, it's the little changes that often make the biggest impact. Happy soaking! Chapter 3. Soaking for supercharged nutrition. Soaking pumpkin seeds can significantly enhance their nutritional value and make them much easier to digest. This simple yet powerful process can transform these tiny seeds into nutritional powerhouses. Think of it like this. Soaking is like giving those seeds a gentle massage, helping them to relax and release all those amazing nutrients they're holding on to. It's like pre-digesting them, making it easier for our bodies to absorb all the goodness. You see, those seeds, they have this protective coating, and part of that coating is something called phytic acid. Phytic acid can be a bit of a nutrient hog, holding on to essential nutrients and not letting them go easily. It latches onto important minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron, making it harder for our bodies to absorb them. But soaking helps to break down that phytic acid, setting those minerals free to be absorbed and used by our bodies. It's like unlocking a treasure chest of nutrition. Suddenly, all those hidden gems are available for your body to use. Soaking also increases the bioavailability of other essential nutrients, like vitamins, antioxidants, and enzymes. Imagine your body as a sponge, soaking up all these vital nutrients more efficiently. By soaking them, you're amplifying their nutritional benefits, making every bite more potent and beneficial for your health. The process of soaking is quite simple. All you need is a bowl of water and some time. As the seeds soak, they begin to swell and soften, and you might even notice some of them starting to sprout. Sprouting is another way to enhance the nutritional value of seeds. When seeds sprout, they undergo a transformation that makes them even more nutritious. Studies have shown that soaked and sprouted seeds have higher levels of vitamins and minerals compared to their unsoaked counterparts. Incorporating soaked pumpkin seeds into your diet is easy and delicious. You can add them to salads, smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a healthy snack. Soaking seeds is a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrition. It's a small step that can have a big impact on your overall health. And it's not just pumpkin seeds that benefit from soaking. Many other seeds, nuts, and grains can also be soaked to enhance their nutritional value. So next time you're preparing a meal, consider soaking your seeds, nuts, or grains beforehand. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in the nutritional quality of your food. Soaking for supercharged nutrition is a powerful tool in your health arsenal. By unlocking the full potential of your food, you're taking a proactive step towards better health and well-being. So go ahead, give your seeds a soak and enjoy the benefits of supercharged nutrition. Chapter 4. The life-changing benefits of soaked pumpkin seeds. Now, let's talk about the key benefits of soaked pumpkin seeds. By incorporating them into your diet, you can experience improved gut health, increased nutrient absorption, and a boost to your overall well-being. These small seeds pack a powerful punch when they're soaked and ready to be enjoyed. First up, let's talk about gut health. We all know how important a healthy gut is for our overall well-being. It's like the foundation of our health, and soaked pumpkin seeds are like little superheroes for our gut. They're packed with fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which helps to keep things moving along smoothly, if you know what I mean. They also contain prebiotics, which act like food for the good bacteria in our gut, helping to promote a healthy balance. And remember all those nutrients we talked about earlier? Magnesium, zinc, iron? Well, those play a crucial role in supporting our immune system, boosting our energy levels, and even improving our mood. It's like giving our bodies the tools they need to thrive. But that's not all. Soaked pumpkin seeds are also incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, smoothies, or even enjoy them as a snack on their own. Imagine starting your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie bowl, topped with these little powerhouses. It's a great way to kickstart your morning and keep you energized throughout the day. Or how about adding them to your lunch salad? Not only do they add a delightful crunch, but they also enhance the nutritional value of your meal. And if you're looking for a healthy snack, soaked pumpkin seeds are perfect. They're easy to carry around and can be a great alternative to less healthy options. The benefits don't stop there. Regular consumption of soaked pumpkin seeds can also help in maintaining a healthy weight. The fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. This can be particularly beneficial if you're trying to manage your weight or even shed a few pounds. And let's not forget about the skin benefits. The zinc in pumpkin seeds is known to promote healthy skin and can even help in reducing acne. So by incorporating soaked pumpkin seeds into your diet, you're not just doing your gut a favor, but also your skin. Additionally, the nutrients in these seeds can contribute to stronger, healthier hair. The iron and magnesium help in maintaining hair health and preventing hair loss. Imagine having not just a healthy gut, but also glowing skin and strong hair, all thanks to these tiny seeds. It's amazing how something so small can have such a big impact on our overall health and well-being. So, why not share the benefits with your friends and family? Introduce them to the life-changing benefits of soaked pumpkin seeds and help them embark on a journey to better health. After all, good health is something we all strive for, and it's always better when shared with loved ones. So the next time you're looking for a healthy addition to your diet, remember the humble pumpkin seed. Soak them, enjoy them, and reap the benefits. Your body will thank you for it. improved gut health, better nutrient absorption, enhanced immune function, weight management, glowing skin, and strong hair, all from a simple seed. Truly, the life-changing benefits of soaked pumpkin seeds are something worth experiencing. So go ahead and make them a part of your daily routine. Your journey to better health starts with a single seed. Chapter 5. Embrace the power of soaked pumpkin seeds. To sum it up, soaked pumpkin seeds have the potential to revolutionize your health and wellness. By making this simple switch in your diet, you can experience a transformation in how you feel both physically and mentally. Don't underestimate the power of these tiny seeds. And the best part is, incorporating soaked pumpkin seeds into your diet is so easy. You can add them to your breakfast smoothies, sprinkle them on salads, or even enjoy them as a snack on their own. Get creative, have fun with it. So there you have it, my friends, the incredible power of soaked pumpkin seeds. It's a simple change, but it can make a world of difference in your health and well-being. Outro. Join the soaked seed revolution. I encourage you to give soaking pumpkin seeds a try and see the incredible effects for yourself. Share your experiences with us in the comments below. Let's spread the word and help others discover the amazing benefits of soaked pumpkin seeds. If you like today's content, remember to give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to receive notification of similar contents in the future. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.